Good day, everyone. Welcome to the Gate Genius Game Show. I'm Joseph Ko, your host for this day. For today's game, we are going to talk about the Nand logic gate. Now, before we start, let us call on the contestants. For Team A, we have Kyle Benedito and Jazriel Oriola. On the other side, Team B, we have Cleo Campomanes and Roland Gaga. Now that we have already introduced the contestants, I would like to give a short reminder to them. The rules are simple. I would read the question and the first person to hit the buzzer will be given the chance to answer. If they get it wrong, the other team can steal a chance to answer. Take note that we have 5 questions, so the first team to get 3 points would win. Are the rules clear?
Indeed.
Yes.
So what are we waiting for? Let us now start with question number 1. For the first question, what is the logical operation of the NAND gate? Team A.
So basically, the output is only low if all inputs are high. The output is high if there is at least one low input. Additionally, to understand NAND gates, the logical equation of NAND gate is F equals prime AB or F equals A prime plus B prime.
Correct. For the second question, fill in the truth table for NAND gate. Team B.
For the first row, when inputs A and B are 0, F is 1. For the second row, when A is 0 and B is 1, then F will be 1. Now for the third row, when A is 1 and B is 0, F will still be 1. And lastly, for the fourth row, when A and B are both 1, then F will be 0. Now this justifies that the output is only low if all inputs are high, and the output is high if there is at least one low input.
Correct. For the third question, explain the schematic diagram presented. Team A.
So the schematic diagram consists of resistor, 2 push button momentarily open, and an LED as the output. The circuit is a simple representation of how the NAND gate works. For instance, if one of the push button is triggered, the LED or the output remains on. If both of the push buttons are being triggered, then the LED will turn off.
Correct. For the fourth question, give me a TTL IC equivalent of the NAND gate and give a brief explanation. Team B.
Okay, so the 7400 quad 2 input. It contains 4 separate NAND gates, each with 2 inputs. Each gate can take 2 signals as input and gives an output based on the NAND logic.
Correct. Now for the tiebreaker, give me a CMOS IC equivalent of the NAND gate. Team A.
A CMOS equivalent of a NAND gate is a CD4011. It has quad 2 input NAND gate integrated circuit which contains 4 independent NAND gates, each with 2 inputs and 1 output.
Correct. Team A wins. Congratulations to the winners of this episode, Gate Genius Game Show. Thank you all for joining us today. We hope to see you again next time. Thanks for watching.